Here's how to say don't shoot on Arc Raiders. On your Arc Raiders game, on the very top of the dashboard, go ahead and navigate yourself at the Raiders options. Once you have already on the Raiders options, you will see there the icons. On the icons, you have to go ahead and look for the customization option. Now click on the customization option. After clicking on the customization options, you will see there the emotes option. Now what you need to do is to go ahead and click on the symbol that says don't shoot. Afterwards, now on the right side, you will be able to see the don't shoot options at the equip. Now what you need to do is to click on the equip options. Now once you have already clicked on the equip options, you have to be assured that the emote don't shoot will be now on the game. Now you can now go ahead and try to play the Arc Raiders game, which is the emote that not shoot or don't shoot is now available on the play that you're having right now.